ऑल गोवा इंटरनेट सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडर्स असोसिएशनने मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत यांची भेट घेतली. असोसिएशनने राज्य सरकारला विनंती केली की तडकाफडकी निर्णय घेऊन इंटरनेट सेवा पुरवठ्यांमध्ये खंड न आणता योग्य आणि समजूतदार पद्धतीने कारवाई केली जावी.
इंटरनेट न्ही आज सामको एसेन्शियल रिक्वायरमेंट जाल्ली आसा आमचे सगळ्यां खातीर. आनी इंटरनेट सर्वीस प्रोवायडर आसा पळय ते थ्रू केबल तांचे जे आसा वॉट एवर हँगींग आसूं कशें आसूं वी आर युजींग दॅट एज अ सर्वीस. जेन्ना कोण इमिजिएटली अशें कट करता पळय अनवॉन्टेडली इट हॅज लॉट ऑफ डिसरप्शन्स. आतां आमी वर्क फ्रॉम गोवा वर्क फ्रॉम होम हे सगळें करता पळय तातूंत पीपल आर वर्किंग रिमोटली एंड यू जस्ट गो एंड रिमूव द इंटरनेट कनेक्शन फ्रॉम अ स्टेबल कनेक्टिविटी पर्सपेक्टीव. इट इज नॉट करेक्ट. सिमिलरली बिजनेसांक खूब इम्पॅक्ट जाता. हांव बिजनेस वॉज युजींग इंटरनेट. बिसायड्स दॅट ISPकूय इम्पॅक्ट जाता बिकॉज इट टेक्स क्वायट सम एफर्ट टू एक्वायर अ क्लायंट. आनी तूं जेन्ना तेंचे अशेंच कट करता आनी तांकां टायम फ्रेमूय दिना केन्ना अप जातलें तें देन पीपल विल लूक फॉर अ डिफरंट बिजनेस ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज ऑर डिफरंट वेंडर्स, रायट? सो आय थिंक ओवरऑल फ्रॉम बिजनेस पर्सपेक्टीव, फ्रॉम अ यूजर पर्सपेक्टीव, this is not a right thing to do. Forget the individuals. I think even some of the government departments are also impacted, which I'm told that they cannot take some payments, receipts, all kind of things. So I think there are some people probably who are not really very sensitive about this entire thing. Yes, if something is not right, we are absolutely not in favor of that. You have to take action onto it. But I think something like this has to be done in a more planned way. You have to give an alternative way for them, put things in place, and whatever is illegal, yes, absolutely go ahead and do the right thing that you feel to do. But I think for the requirements perspective, we make sure that it is the right thing. Therefore, GTA as a Goa Technology Association, we are completely standing with the internet service providers here today. Because some of them are also members and we know what it takes for them to make sure that we provide us the connectivity. They have been with us during pandemic to make sure that last mile connectivity is made available to our staff. So I think it just makes sense for us as a technology body in Goa to be with these guys and make sure that we put up a representation. We are pleased that we were given time to understand by the Honorable Chief Minister of the situation, and he has assured us to put this in place. And I think there has to be a long-term vision even from the government, from the ISPs, as to how will we basically get ourselves out of this problem, because this may be a short-term solution we may come up, but we really want a long-term solution wherein we don't have this problem. We have to make sure that we are giving good infrastructure to the people, to the businesses that are there, and also good framework for the operators to work on, right? So I'm very hopeful that people understand the concerns that we are currently trying to raise up, and very soon we will have this problem which is raised.
ISP असोसिएशन, ऑल गोवा ISP असोसिएशन तर्फे आमी आतां मुख्यमंत्र्याक मेळ्ळे. आमचो प्रॉब्लम आहा पळय तांकां नोटीसूय सर्व केल्ली आहा, पब्लीक नोटीस, की 10 दिसां भितर, म्हणजे ऑलरेडी 2 दीस जाले ताका, 10 दिसां भितर केबल काडा एज पर द कोर्ट डायरेक्शन. तेणी ती नोटीस सर्व केल्ली आहा. बट कोर्ट डायरेक्शनान ते नोटिसीचेर कोर्ट एज quoted the IT policy, ROW policy. This is what he is missing. तो एक लास्ट लायन वाचता, कार्ड म्हणून सांगला, बट कोणी कॉम्प्लाय केला पळय तेंचे काडपाचें ना.